Okay, this is a demonstration. You can help with military helicopters and stuff above right now. And not helicopters, but they're aircraft. But you see that there are no lights back here. This is the way it should be. Now, yesterday when I was showing you a picture and it had all those lights, there shouldn't have been any. Now here, I'm going to make it a little lighter. You see that one up there? That's a drone. The drone hangs around here all the time. As a matter of fact, it might be the one that's been showing that blue dot. If I go into my location application on my phone, it's probably the one that we always see the blue beam that comes out of, that constantly hangs around here, constantly videotaping, recording, stealing data, invading my privacy, the bottom line. But that is a drone. That is not the stars in the sky. You can't even see the sky, it's too cloudy. And usually it and several like it. Now you see how all that just lit up when there were no lights back there? Look at how many lights there are that just appeared. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you see the lights turn off? They're listening to me talk about them. You just saw that. And you notice the military aircraft are gone now that I'm talking about them, and videotaping, and have them on recording. Do you see this? There were no lights back here just a moment ago. This is a drone. We are located 660 feet onto my property. There is no legal reason for there to be a drone here, damn near smack dab in the middle of my property, invading my privacy. No excuse, no reason for it. And you saw those other lights come on. That's probably along my back fence line, which is quite a distance. Some of those lights were closer, so we have trespassers on the property again, because in the daylight, I should have taken a photo for you. There's a hill that's about at least 16 to 20 feet high. It's a big, wide hill on our property before you get to our back fence line. We're at the middle section of a 30-acre property, so we're at 660 feet. You double that to get the full length of our property. And so there's another 660 feet beyond where I'm showing this picture that has a huge hill and what I call a seasonal lake, and just a lot of land. So you saw those lights, and they're monitoring my phones and monitoring, stealing my data, identity thefting, listening on my calls and texts and things like that. So they heard me talking about them and me showing them, and they disappeared. But you saw that. So picture says 1,000 words. Well, video says even more. We caught that shit on video.